Hey everyone, what's going on? So, from the description, you can probably understand what this topic is going to be about tonight. So, YouTube has decided that they don't want small content creators anymore, and by doing this, they've changed the partnership program so that only major YouTubers can use it anymore. And what this is so what you need is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views over the course of 12 months. So I'm going to put this right here for you guys to check out. But what this means for everyone is that YouTube does not care about the small content creators, and they only want to give money to the major ones. And what really is disgusting about this is that the major ones, they're not saying anything. If you look through YouTube, you're only going to find small content creators making any kind of videos about this. So basically, the larger channels, they don't care. They're not going to do anything. Versus in situations when they had trouble with YouTube, they make huge videos ranting and raving about it and getting all support from as many people as they can. But now that's time to help out the small content creators. They just don't care. And I've even heard people say that they're in favor of it, but that's because it doesn't affect them. And if it does, it's just that they're going to actually get more money because small content creators are going to lose our money and basically going to go over to them instead. So if they're saying anything, I've heard people be in favor of it. And really, they just don't understand the situation at all, and they really do not have a say in this. It's really just a disgusting thing that YouTube has done. And after February, if I don't manage to make it up to that point, which I probably won't, it's more than likely I'm going to leave YouTube for a better platform like Twitch that's not going to insult people who have been on here since 2012, like myself. So it's very insulting that YouTube has decided, oh, well, you're just not good enough to be on here. We're just not gonna pay you. I wanna pay PewDiePie and Logan Paul who fucking films people commit suicide. Like, that's disgusting. YouTube is going to pay people to have videos of dead people versus someone who's just trying to make content about like Yu-Gi-Oh! And gaming and Smash Bros. And all that cool stuff. But they don't care about that because I don't have enough subscribers. That's so really messed up and disrespectful. They would rather pay someone who goes into the suicide forest and makes videos about that over someone who's just trying to have some fun and play video games. That's absolutely disgusting, and that is what YouTube supports by doing this. It's very obvious that this is what they're supporting now. By making this choice, they are supporting Logan Paul's choices. They're supporting anyone who's just they deem worthy now, and it's just very insulting. Like I said, it's most likely I'm going to leave YouTube, and so many other small content creators have said that they're going to leave for Twitch or other services because YouTube is just crossing a line here, and it's just blatant disrespect and disregard for their users who have been here for years, like myself. And they just don't care. They just want to give money to people who they're like, oh, well, they're large and famous. They should get all the money. And that's really not how YouTube worked when it first started. YouTube, it was originally just supposed to be for everyone. It was kind of just a place where everyone had a chance to make it versus Hollywood, where it's just you have money, go to acting school and become a big celebrity. Versus where YouTube was originally supposed to be a stomping ground for anyone to just show up, do what they wanted, and just make a career, become someone. And now YouTube, in present day, they've already decided who their someones are, and they're deciding to get rid of everyone else with one full swoop. And the new partner program is that full swoop. They're just disregarding everyone who's not good enough for their service anymore. So if you want to see any more videos past February, what I can suggest is really just subscribe, get your friends to subscribe. I've heard people begging their viewers to put their videos on, just loop them on in the background to get to those views. I've heard a lot of people they don't want to use YouTube if this goes through, and we can only hope that YouTube realizes their mistake before this happens, because once they make this mistake and it goes through on February, they're going to lose a lot of very unique content creators versus the big ones who they've really lost a lot of their originality and they're all kind of the same anymore. But it's mostly like the smaller content creators who we're all out here doing very unique things, and it's just not a good situation, and YouTube just is not a good service anymore. They have ruined themselves by making this decision, and if they do not fix their mistake by February, like I said, I will almost definitely be leaving for Twitch, and you guys can find the description you can find the link to my Twitch down in the description below. You can also find other things like Discord and the Facebook page for Garo Gaming, so check that stuff out. And if you want to see more videos past February, like I said, just do as much as you can to help, and I'd really appreciate it. And if it does come down to it, you can always donate on Patreon to the Garo Gaming. So make sure to check those links out, and let me know what you guys feel about this, because I'm sure a lot of people are just very angry about this, except for people who are already large and successful. It's like, oh, I'm already making money, so it doesn't affect me, so it must be a good thing. Yeah, make sure to check all that stuff out. It's just very disappointing. That's a service that I've used for so long. I'm supposed to be able to trust the people who provide this service, but apparently they have proven to me and thousands, maybe even millions more people that no, you cannot trust YouTube. They are just going to screw you over. And like I said, I'm going to move to Twitch if they don't fix their mistake and decide against this. That's what they need to do. If they don't, they're going to lose a lot of users right off the bat. And YouTube has just been going downhill in the past couple of years anyway. So if they make this mistake, YouTube's just going to continue to go downhill until it's eventually just going to lose to Twitch, and Twitch is going to become the #1 platform for videos. So that's my opinion on it. And like I said before, larger YouTube channels, they don't get a say in this because they don't understand the situation. So I'm going to be honest, if you're one of those larger YouTube channels, don't comment, because just to put it blunt, your opinion's not really valid here. You don't understand the situation. You don't understand it. But like, if you're in this situation and you understand it, feel free to put your opinion down below. And I might not see you guys next time.